Did you know that Himalayan salt contains over 84 minerals and elements, while lavender oil is known for its calming and relaxing properties? It's true. Let's dive deeper into the magic of these two powerful ingredients. Himalayan salt, often referred to as pink gold, is a natural detoxifier. When applied to the skin, it helps draw out toxins, improving hydration and boosting overall skin health. It's also packed with essential minerals that nourish and replenish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Now let's talk about lavender oil. This aromatic essential oil is a true champion when it comes to relaxation. Known for its soothing properties, lavender oil helps relieve stress, promote better sleep, and even alleviate headaches. When applied topically, it can also offer anti-inflammatory and antiseptic benefits, helping to heal minor burns and bug bites. Now, imagine combining these two powerful elements in a foot mask. The result? Absolute bliss! Gather your ingredients, friends. You'll need Himalayan salt, lavender oil, and a base like coconut oil or shea butter. Time for some magic. Start by taking your base, either coconut oil or shea butter. Gently melt it using a double boiler, just until it turns into a liquid. Be sure not to overheat it. We want to keep all those beneficial properties intact. Now let's bring in the star of our show, the Himalayan salt. Sprinkle it into your melted base. How much, you ask? Well, for a good consistency, a handful should do the trick. Finally, it's time to add our secret ingredient, the lavender oil. A few drops will suffice. This not only adds a relaxing aroma, but also boosts the rejuvenating effects of our foot mask. Give it all a good mix until you achieve a smooth paste. The smoother your paste, the easier and more effective your application will be. Voila! Your foot mask is ready. Let's move on to how to use it for maximum benefits. Now that your foot mask is ready, find a comfortable spot where you can relax for a while. Perhaps a cozy corner with a good book, or a sunny spot in your garden. The first step is to make sure your feet are clean and dry. This ensures that the mask can work its magic without any interference. Next, it's time to slather on that gorgeous Himalayan salt and lavender oil mask you've just made. Be generous with it. Your feet deserve all the pampering they can get. Once you've covered your feet in the mask, wrap them up in a warm towel. This helps the mask penetrate deeper into your skin, maximizing its effects. Now, all you have to do is wait. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to relax, meditate, or simply enjoy the moment. After 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with warm water and pat dry. You'll immediately notice the difference. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective foot mask using the magic of Himalayan salt and lavender oil. This wonderful concoction, blending the detoxifying properties of Himalayan salt with the calming essence of lavender oil, is not only easy to whip up but also incredibly economical. Just a handful of ingredients, a dash of patience, and you have a foot mask that rivals those lavish spa treatments. This humble mask, with its exfoliating and soothing properties, can do wonders for your foot health. It can help you unwind after a long day, nurture your skin, and even boost your mood with its fragrant notes. And the best part? You can create this spa-like experience right in the comfort of your home, at your convenience. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video too. Stay tuned for more such easy and effective DIYs.